If you have a long list of products, Triniteq's PowerEPOS provides the ability to upload many products at once using the product import wizard. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use this feature to get your products loaded as efficiently as possible. In addition to PLUs, you have the option to import PLU prices, including sales modifiers and price schemes, and POS users. To begin with, we will click on the Import Wizard tile in the Management console, which opens up the module where we are presented with our data import options: Import PLUs, Import PLU prices, and Import POS users. When we click each tab, we find the import field options listed for each data type. This means you can build your own spreadsheet using these fields and then convert it to a CSV file or export your data from another system as a CSV file to upload using this wizard. PowerEPOS version 8 CSV files are also recognized and easily loaded into PowerEPOS using this process. So for step 1, we select Import PLUs. And next from our control panel, which opens our PC File Explorer to browse to the location of our CSV import file. We select it and click Open. Once our import file has been validated by PowerEPOS, we'll see a record matching screen. If we created our import file with the correct fields, they'll be automatically recognized by PowerEPOS. If our file doesn't have the correct fields, or if they're in a different order, we can correct this before import by matching the fields using the drop-down options in the source column. Once all fields are correctly matched, we click Proceed and view our products list. For step 2, we check for errors or issues with the import file. And if any are found, we click back from the control panel to move to the previous screen where we can fix them. This screen will also highlight newly created fields, which we can approve and then click Next to move to the next step. Step 3 requires us to confirm that the fields that we are importing are correct and match the expected configuration. We are happy that it does, so we click Next and move on to step 4. Step 4 provides us with the results of the import and whether it was successful or if errors were detected. By selecting Finish from the control panel, our import is complete, and we can go to the PLUs through the Management console to view our PLU list and check our new products have been added correctly. Once here, we notice that our PLUs must be published to make them available to the POS, so we close the PLUs module and click the Publish button, top right of the Management console. We then deselect any updates not ready to be published. Then we select our outlet or region to publish to. A complete message will be displayed with the revision number, and we can use this number to track the revisions through the Revision Management tool.